Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, trailering package, 4-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.